This video teaches you how to boost our AE730D USB soldering iron with right power. When we have a power supply that can provide full 30-watt power and it will work like this way. Adopt the right power automatically, and then long press the function key, and then it can solder automatically. When we use a power supply that cannot provide full 30-watt power, and it will work like this way. Automatically adopt the power, long press the function key, and then in our first heating, the iron will adopt the right power automatically. This process will take about 5 to 20 seconds. Then long press function key, and then press the touching area, and then the iron will work properly. Whenever we connect to a new power supply, it is suggested to manually adjust the power. Connect the power within 2 seconds. Press this function key, and then the iron will automatically adopt the right power to function this iron. Long press the function key, and then we can solder again. That is it.